Your Google business page will be the first point of contact for most customers when looking for your business. So, keeping your social media and messaging channels connected to your profile is the best way to increase interest in your company. Let's check how to use this new feature to connect and manage those channels within the CRM. Navigate to the Integrations tab inside your account settings and click Manage Pages. Click Connect or Manage Channels. This will open a list of channels you can connect to your Google business page, either by selecting them or typing your username. Click Save in the bottom right corner once you've entered your desired channels. Using this feature to connect your GBP to your social media and messaging channels helps you reach a wider audience, connecting them with your business profile to increase traffic, improve your local search ranking, and display recent social media posts directly to your Google business page. All these features help you siphon attention to your social and messaging channels, increasing your revenue and lead capturing while centralizing management for a more efficient experience. We hope it increases your visibility to the max.